Hello my friends, welcome back to another session of my financial predictions, cryptocurrencies only. Today is it's the 18th of June, and we got basically it's kind of a mixed day in many cryptocurrencies. We'll cover this in detail, but basically I predicted, and I've been telling you guys. Oh wait, this is the Solana chart. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart as always. We always start with Bitcoin. So I told you. I gave many weeks in advance regarding this warning. I told you we will see a very strong correction either happening on the 17th or the 18th of June. Okay, you can see this is the 16th of June. Very good so far. It was a green day, full on green day. It's right here where it ends. It was still a green day, but right now that it was the 17th of June. Look at this massive crash. Almost 4%, so from around 107k to 103k. Okay, that's a major loss, very volatile crash. For today, we see basically a day in range for Bitcoin, considering that this is the starting position. This is so far the current position. It could go lower or higher in the coming hours, but it was basically very little movement. So kind of in range. I was expecting a more optimistic look for Bitcoin, and it was, especially compared to other altcoins. We'll cover them in a minute. But you can see everything I predicted thus far, especially the extremely volatile days, all 100% accurate, okay? Not a single error in those days. Many of these days, we are entering the week that I was expecting not to be a very good week, not just for cryptocurrencies. If you're also following me on the Tesla and the economy charts that I made in my other channel, you can also see I gave the warning for the same days, basically 17 and 18, because these days will not be good, okay? In unrelated terms to finance, you can see that there's geopolitical tension brewing. It's very, it has the potential of being something really bad. I don't think it's going to happen because it's not in the signals that this year will be extraordinarily bad for any kind of reason. But at the same time, I have not made in a detailed predictions about those events, okay? And if I were to do these predictions, I will not share them in this channel, okay? You'll have to follow me on the Twitter channel, if anything. So, yeah, my Twitter account. So, for the next days, 19 could possibly see, especially for Bitcoin, maybe a green day. 20 could be a chill day, meaning could be in range, maybe some little activity. It could also be volatile, but like I always tell you, when regarding volatility, I always try to go for the extreme volatility signals. For example, 21, a very volatile day coming. 23, another volatile day. 25, okay. I've been talking about these patterns, these volatility patterns many times. So most of you already know this, and if you don't, just go back and watch my tutorial video. It's on the main page. So yeah, that's basically the outlook for Bitcoin for the next days. Now let's take a look at Solana, and you can see this is a divergence from Bitcoin, okay? We saw a massive crash on the 16th. So just like I told you, this range of days was much larger. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart just to show you. Okay, we're talking about Bitcoin only shows 2 days in a red box. Okay, Solana shows more than 2 days, starting from the 15th all the way to the 18th. So much longer range of days. You can see exactly what I meant by this, because this is the 16th of June, which was a green day for Bitcoin. Not so much for Solana, completely the opposite. A massive correction as well. It continues going even lower yesterday on the 17th. Okay, we're talking about, if we try to measure this from the starting position to the lowest in that day, we're talking 5%, something like that. And today it continues going even lower So you can see this is the starting position for today, the 18 in Solana. To the lowest position, we got another almost 4%, and to the current position, we're measuring nearly 2%. So this is why you need to pay attention to my work, guys. You don't really have the luxury to ignore my trading signals. And if you're doing trading with them, don't just go for one with only one chart. I mean, if you're only trading Bitcoin, yeah, then I understand why people will only go for the Bitcoin chart. But if you're trading multiple altcoins, multiple cryptocurrencies, and Solana is one of them, or if you're even trading meme coins, which remember 90% of the meme coins are traded in Solana. So if you see a red day on Solana, that means a bad day for meme coins. That means lots of garbage, lots of scams will tend to go live on these days. Okay. So Solana really taking a very hard hit. 3 consecutive red days, 2 of them at least very volatile. So from the highest position of the 16th of June to the lowest position so far, we're talking almost 10%. So insane loss for Solana. And again, these circles for this day were very, very bad for Solana. Okay, completely in red. Okay, tomorrow Solana shows the potential of some volatility. So maybe there will be some kind of action regarding that day. And regarding Solana, 20 again seems to be a chill day, exactly like Bitcoin on the yellow. Remember, guys, yellow always means either range or volatility. Okay, it's one of the two. And whenever you see a lone yellow circle, it almost always kind of represents just range. So basically, expect some chill days around the 20. Only for Solana to drop again violently, again the 21 or 22. So Solana not looking really good right now. In fact, if we try to measure this current position to the starting position of June, we are now in the red. Okay, so it's a red month for Solana. Very, very sad. So let's just go and end this with the radium chart, which is always the one that I forget. Okay, something really insane happened today, and I really don't know what. To my knowledge, the only news that I saw regarding the meme coin sphere was that PompFun and the owner of PompFun, the Twitter accounts of those two things, they came live again. So they were suspended like 5 days ago, something like that. So they have been reinstated for some reason today. I don't know if this has anything to do with this. It could be because that means PompFun is back online. I mean, it was back online, but now it's like officially back online for the normies. So maybe it could be that. The crazy thing is that I actually predicted this in a way, because you can see right here, this is the 18th of June, and it's shared by opposite energies. Okay, 18 right here on the green, 18 right here on the red. So what I always tell you guys, whenever you see a day shared by opposite energies, such as this, it always tells me, it always signifies extreme volatility. Okay, and this is so far the most volatile day in the entire month of radium. I mean, look at this. This was such a crazy jump. Measuring from the starting of the day around here, we're talking about almost 30%. This is insane. This was in a single day. We basically recovered all of the losses in the month. We're kind of back to square one. Now, not so good right now because it's trending really, really hard downside. So we're still now in the red, but it's at least it's very, very close to the starting position of June. Okay, that in a single day. Insane what just happened to radium. Again, I don't really know what this is going on, why radium shoots up so powerful. If you have any idea, just write down in the comments. I would like to hear, because I'm really, really busy doing other projects, and I don't really have my mind full on trading. In fact, I'm not even trading so much right now at all. I'm way more invested in my sports predictions because people are really requesting this World Cup club finals or whatever. I don't really watch any sports, so I don't even know them myself. But yeah, for radium, we can see basically it's the same, kind of the same outlook, except it might seem that the 2021 could be volatile days, could be volatile uptrend days for radium. Let's see if this translates, if this helps Solana as well. But if it doesn't, maybe there's something unique to radium that I'm not catching up yet. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, guys, these signals are extremely accurate that you're seeing right now. And as you can see with your own eyes, if you have been following me for just 1 week, that's all it takes. It's basically 2 videos per week. That's all it takes, guys. You can see the proof with your own eyes right now. So like, share, you remember your support is very appreciated in any way. So having said that, guys, take care, stay sharp in these very troublesome days, especially you're in the old world. So I feel for you guys, but yeah, anyways, have a good day and until next time.